Hi, I am Dr. Quinn, and I am so excited to provide information on our Quinn Healthcare Medical Cannabis Program.
Hi, my name is Melissa Quinn. I serve as the Operations Manager of Quinn Healthcare. This presentation was created to provide information on Quinn Healthcare's medical cannabis program.
My name is Dr. Timothy Quinn, and I am so excited that we're able to bring this opportunity of treatment to our patient population. The Mississippi Medical Cannabis or Marijuana Program provides a safe and accessible program that meets the needs of patients and the public health and safety of all Mississippi residents. Quinn Healthcare is implementing the medical cannabis program through medical cannabis certification for patients who qualify. Current Quinn Healthcare patients who have been diagnosed with certain qualifying conditions may be eligible for a medical cannabis or marijuana certification card after following the steps listed in this presentation. Please note that in addition to meeting the conditions specified by the Mississippi State Department of Health, patients who receive certifications for medical marijuana must be currently established patients of Quinn Healthcare.
I know it sounds like we keep reiterating that you must be a current patient.
But also note, if you have not been evaluated in Quinn Healthcare in over 6 months, you must schedule an appointment to come in to be evaluated, to be brought up to date, to be considered as a current patient.
Again, the Quinn Healthcare Medical Cannabis Program is open to currently established Quinn Healthcare patients that meet those criteria for medical cannabis certification through the Mississippi State Department of Health's Medical Cannabis Program. Patients that have been diagnosed with conditions such as cancer, Parkinson's disease, or muscular dystrophy, among other conditions, may be eligible to begin the medical cannabis certification process. A full list of qualifying conditions is provided in the link right here.
This link is actually from the actual Mississippi State Department of Health website, and many of the qualifying conditions are listed, including cancer, Parkinson's disease, glaucoma, hepatitis, Crohn's disease, different types of pain disorders.
Necessary steps for patients who may qualify for medical cannabis certification, please email your name, date of birth, best mobile phone number, and availability for appointment times to melissa.quinn@quinntotalhealth.com or text 769-231-2598. That's 769-231-2598. You will receive an appointment time via text message. By providing your phone number via email or text, you agree to receive text messages regarding your appointment times and availability. Please note, we will never call you about any additional information without your permission.
Once a patient receives an appointment to visit their Quinn Healthcare medical provider in person, the practitioner will evaluate the patient to determine whether a qualifying medical condition exists that would benefit from the use of medical cannabis.
You've almost made it to the finish line. Finally, the medical provider will then complete the medical certification process for the medical cannabis program. Upon qualifying for medical cannabis, the medical provider will register the patient through the Mississippi State Department's medical cannabis application process for medical cannabis use. This certification is not a prescription. After you, the patient, has received the medical cannabis certification, you have 60 days to finish that process through that Mississippi State Department of Health site that we provided here for you. The next web page that we're going to present is going to give you a little bit of an overview of what that application page looks like, so this won't be your first time seeing it as you get through the application process.
We're almost there, everybody. This is so exciting. And this is actually from the Mississippi State Department of Health, and it just has some guidelines on what to expect and things that are required in order to complete this process. But the Mississippi State Department of Health really did a good job. Here, there's an overview from the actual Mississippi State Department of Health website that reiterates the information that we provided earlier with the different steps that are necessary for the application process, involving the patient having a medical complaint, being evaluated by a medical provider, going through the necessary steps to get the certification process complete.
Thank you so much for viewing and listening to our presentation. That was a ton of information. If you want to contact us for an appointment, remember that email address is melissa.quinn@quinntotalhealth.com, and that number to text is 769-231-2598. 2598. That's 769-231-2598. Thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to serve.